Now we're going to go back into our symbols. This time we're going to look at our week calendar. You can drag that week calendar into your Express desktop. And you can see that you can label this with your text tools. And we'll label it so that it is days of the week or whatever it is we're going to do. But first, because my ink is black, I need to change my background. So I'll go back. We will adjust our font and our ink color, and we'll put that in there. We can do our week for August 10th, 2020. And then we can go in, and inside of each of these weeks, we can drag and drop any file, any web link, a PDF, a JPEG, any type of file that we wanted to add in here. We could simply add into the day where it will take place, and then it's a live link, and it will directly take you back to that once you link into it. We will cover that more later.